In this diagram, CD is the perpendicular bisector of AB. The two-column proof shows that AC is congruent to BC. And I know this got cut off, but it says, which of the following would justify step 6? All right, so we're trying to fill in, excuse me, I just coughed my lungs out, but we want to fill in this statement of the proof. So, whenever we have an empty spot in the proof, we need to go back and look at what has happened above it. All right, so I'm going to go back to each of the steps beforehand, and I'm going to mark them on my picture. So, angle ADC is congruent to BDC, and that's because they're both right angles. And then it says CD is congruent to CD, and that's the reflexive property. The same line is congruent to the same line. And then AD is congruent to BD, and that's because it said it was a perpendicular bisector, and a bisector means it splits it into two equal pieces. All right, so now it's saying that triangle ADC is congruent to triangle BDC, and we have to give the reason why. So now that we've put all of our markings on there from what it's given us so far in the proof, we can just label it. We had a side, then we had an angle, and then we had a side in the yellow triangle. And then same thing for the green triangle. We had a side, then an angle, then a side. So these two triangles are congruent based off side, angle, side congruence postulate. And that's all there is to that one.